What's up guys, so today I'm in the very heart of Marrakech and I'm going to be doing a cooking class to learn how to cook some authentic Moroccan cuisine. Believe it or not, one of my followers got in touch with me, messaged me, asked me if I needed any help or needed to be shown around. It turns out he's a chef here and he works at the Cafe Clock. I'm going to be having a camel burger. That is one thing I've never had before.
Good to see you.
You too.
Everything's right?
Yeah, good. All good.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello. Hi.
How long have you been working here for?
Now it's 6 years, but on the total with Cafe Clock more than 10 years.
So we have two lovely guests with us on this cooking. What's this cooking course? Moroccan cooking class. So, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Greg, I'm 30 and I paint the lines in the road.
Hi, I'm Hannah, also 30, and I'm a brand manager.
What brings you to Marrakech?
Mini me.
Yeah, we got
You literally just got married?
Yeah, on Friday.
What?
Yeah.
I know.
Unreal.
Yeah, it was exhausting.
We've literally just been sleeping since we've been.
That's nice. Congratulations anyway. You've just typed in his Instagram. And what's happened?
We found out that my best friend Lucy Shepherd follows Mike. So we're now just going to send her a photo to see if she recognises him in real life.
I've taken my top off.
The only way to recognise him in real life.
If I was wearing a t-shirt, it's not a Right, we're off to the shops nearby to get the ingredients for all the dishes which we are going to be preparing later on. Is this where you get vegetables normally?
From here we have another shop there, and then I have like a man far away from here he bring to the restaurant, but I buy from the local people. When I need aubergine, tomato, some pepper, and then onion from the
Okay. So, okay.
Pick the best aubergine.
So we're gonna touch them up.
Yes.
Yeah.
What are we looking for in terms of quality?
The quality, big one and
Big
good,
one.
especially.
Is there, no, but do you need to like look for anything in particular?
Yeah, this one exactly.
So that's a good one.
And this one too. This one happens. It's half yogurt.
Oh wow.
What's this?
Parsley and coriander.
Parsley and coriander.
And I start sweating.
Oh wow.
She finds it hilarious every time.
How many onions? How many?
4, 5 passi and
Ooh! Here we have one of Moroccan's finest wood shops. All arranged very beautifully. That actually gives me anxiety.
Imagine trying to find your bike in there.
How have they stacked that? Someone has literally just gone.
we want to try to have apart from the neck.
That is a solid knife.
Mohammed, this meat, it was slaughtered yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
Fresh. Tricep on fleek. We're getting fruit from here.
Yeah, I want to give you information especially for the olives, harissa, and then some chicken inside. Come inside.
That room is literally big enough to hold 4 people.
Abdurrahman, he's this special like chicken man, and Omar, they are Berber. He have a lot of guests to here. He have everything here. The chicken especially, we come and we choose chicken by live. And then the butcher, he slaughter them halal. The same technique of lamb or and beef. It's good to buy them a day or 2 days before, keep clean them with lemon, vinegar and salt, and then put them one night in the freezer, the minimum for taste to come in soft.
Went there to get a couple of spices and olives, but it just so happened that behind the counter there's about 50 chickens stacked on top of each other. There's a very pungent smell. It is about 40 degrees right now, so I don't know how that shopkeeper does that on a daily basis.
I think it's actually even hotter in there as well.
Yeah, very whiffy.
This is for the Moroccan spice coffee.
Spice coffee. In the blender here, he put like a coffee from Ghana, roasted and fresh for flavor and then for the color too. Plus a mix of spices, white pepper, black pepper, cardamom, sesame, anise, seeds, some turmeric, together.
And that all gets grinded together.
Yes, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this bag is very heavy.
You have first sip with milk. Go for it.
It's a lot of flavours.
Is that nice?
Can't really compare it to
It's
anything
nice
I've
but
had
very
before.
strong.
Would you buy that from Starbucks?
Definitely not.
Guys, wash your hands, take the aprons please. the beginning to roasted aubergine, pepper and tomato to get the smoky flavor to the salad. If you don't have gas at home, you can use oven, but you find the salad without fire. Barbecue, that's the best.
Would you keep it on there for like a couple of minutes and then you turn it around?
Yeah, turn it around to have a black color special. All the pepper come in black. Normally we roast the aubergine to come soft cooked inside and then the crispy skin. But the pepper we wanna get just a black color.
Now we're peeling all the skin off the aubergine and the tomato.
So that was the aubergine.
Aubergine and tomato.
Together.
Oh yeah, this is the most satisfying one.
Okay, so in here we've got aubergine, tomato, pepper, all roasted.
The rest of the herbs, a handful of herbs especially, all.
Rest of these?
Yes.
A little bit.
Yes.
Okay then.
Here we're cooking the salad again.
Look, 10 to 15 minutes to mix between garlic and spices.
Okay.
Take some parts for you without
This is what I would do
garlic
at
and
home. I just like,
for guys.
I'm just going back. That's how I do it. Go everywhere. A little bit on the floor. I'm so warm.
Checked on Instagram, it's 39 degrees.
39 degrees. No fan. Trying to just keep movements small as possible.
With an open fire.
Have 20 sunflower or corn and then olive oil.
It's an oily one.
How long will this cook for, Mahmoud?
On the beginning, we wanna start cooking the lamb 1 hour. Okay, roast them half hour, and we wanna add water. We give them hour on the total.
How's that going?
Stirring.
Yeah.
Very well.
How do you feel?
Very calm.
Collected
Yeah.
and warm.
Warm is an understatement.
And then at this time, we wanna wash and soaked prunes and apricots. And then we wanna add them after hour 15 on the total to the tagine. We give them half hour to cook, and then we add honey and cinnamon. For decoration of the tagine, we wanna use walnuts and sesame. Tagine, the lamb started cooking. We add prunes and apricots on the top. We wanna give them 15 minutes or 10 minutes from now. And then we add honey and cinnamon to caramelize.
1 cup.
I'd love to know how many calories is in
It's
that.
not
Tracking calories. Oh, that's good.
So I think what we've learned is that Moroccan cooking is a lot of effort.
If you don't enjoy cooking, but if you love cooking, then I guess it would just be a pleasure.
5-6%.
I tried to make pastilla before
Yes.
at home. It was a disaster. It was a disaster.
From today, you can do for your friends some Moroccan party, especially.
Moroccan party at my house when we get back, yeah? You should bring out a cookbook, Moroccan cookbook.
amazing.
I think for Moroccan cookbook next year. Okay.
More, less, too much, ruined it.
Enough. We wanna try today if you have a delicious hand or not.
If I have a delicious hand,
I wanna try later.
I have a delicious hand.
Need a good massage for your hands.
Okay. A little bit of salmon in there. Absolutely melting once again. It's really hot.
Yes.
And you were in here cooking with no air conditioning as well.
No, normally in the kitchen downstairs, no. I don't like them, especially they make me like sick.
They make you what, sick?
Yeah.
How long does the chicken need to be cooked for?
The
When do you know it's
maximum
ready?
taking hour 15 minutes. We touch with the knife. When the chicken coming soft, it's ready. Now we wanna like cut them, shred them especially smaller, and then we wanna keep the sauce to be caramelized with honey and cinnamon, and then we wanna add egg. We cook them like scramble inside with almond, and then we add the chicken. This is the second step. We give them a time to be cold, and then we stuff them the last time in the film.
This is for the pastilla.
Yeah, let's see.
Is it P or B?
P.
P.
Yeah.
Why?
B.
In Arabic, stela. And just we did like to be easy for you pastilla, but
It's
the dialect,
I don't know whether to spell it with a B or a P.
the dialects.
Yeah, it's a dialect.
Yeah.
I tell you what, some love went into shredding that chicken. You say that's nicely shredded?
Great,
Yes.
like mom do. He did like tradition.
Just honey.
Oh, wow.
Where did you get the honey from, just out of interest?
Just it's Moroccan local.
You just used half tablespoon of cinnamon.
Yes.
Okay.
Licking off the spoon.
You can taste it in your hand. So.
Huh? My hands are
Just don't damage the spoon.
absolutely filled.
Baking powder.
There you go back in the pot.
If we all get ill tomorrow, we know where that's from.
Just you guys.
This is what type of pastry?
Filo pastry special
And where did you get this from the market?
from the market.
I'll fold this one.
We did a circle on the middle like that. Okay. And then that. And this is the pastilla. 200 degrees, 25 minutes. Okay.
Oh yeah.
This one had.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, because we have the juice, the last part. That way I told you before. Don't worry.
So the juice makes it heavier?
Yeah.
Would that normally be 2?
Yeah, 40.
He likes the big one.
Listen, you come in, you asking a lot for.
I'm causing absolute
By your hands, brush with your fingers the top with little bit of sugar.
Try not to spill my sack this time. Can you do the sugar and the cinnamon after?
Yes, of course, and almond egg.
Oh, well, yeah. How do you think my cooking skills were? Do you think I should probably stick to the gym and just stick to teaching people how to lift weights?
No, you can't teach him people too.
Okay.
You have a chef inside.
Certified recommendation. If you want me to cook Moroccan food, I'm your man now.
What's your Instagram?
Mohammed Nouishi. Mohammed Nouishi. I want to give it to you.
I'll put it in.
And he's going to start a YouTube channel very soon.
Thank you so much.
And he's going to bring out a cookbook.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to happen. It's definitely going to happen.
Yes. Here we have like bisara soup, traditional Moroccan breakfast soup, broad bean and split pea soup, with the salad, roasted aubergine, pepper and tomatoes, look, and then traditional Moroccan bread with cinnamon.
That's actually quite a lot for a starter.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Why is everything falling out of my mouth today?
How's the soup?
So good.
This is delicious, so smoky.
So much just went into everything. We had a shopping bag that was about 20 kilos.
Thoughts on the lamb tagine?
So many different flavors right now. And it's so tender. It's so good.
He make a
Oh my
huge.
god.
I may not be able to eat all of this.
Wow.
Do we have one each?
This is so good. This is my favorite Moroccan dish. Pastilla or pastilla.
Stella.
Pastilla.
Dialect is Stella, but it's pastilla.
So we've got some
I'm very crazy.
grounded almonds, chicken, which is shredded, and what else do we have in there?
Honey, cinnamon,
Honey,
egg,
cinnamon, egg,
plus onion with spices.
and onion and spices, so sweet
do
and
you think,
savoury.
sir?
Oh my god.
Amazing.
So good.
Yeah, I love it.
The man is very full right now.
What have we got?
We've got some
This one is yours, yeah?
macaroons and an orange salad. That's definitely not the names of them.
No, that is.
Is it? An orange salad, or a Moroccan orange salad,
Yeah.
and the macaroon, coconut macaroon.
Yeah. Good.
I'm so full though.
Everyone is so full.
So that was a very memorable experience. I'm extremely full right now, but my belly is very happy. I haven't had a meal like that in so long. So many different tastes, different combinations of sweets with savouries. That was such a good meal. Heavy, but very, very good meal. And it's something which I've wanted to do for a while because I tried to make some Moroccan food back in England a while ago, and it went down terribly. So I now know how to make pastilla, I now know how to make tagine and a couple of other desserts which I'm definitely going to try and make again. If you want to know more about that place or speak to the actual chef himself who knows what he's doing, he's called Mohammed, I'll put his Instagram in the description as well. So thanks for watching guys, hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you can give it a try yourself if you get the ingredients and follow the recipes properly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys soon.